G'day all, here is my OKMO R02 Rider Ericsson. Actually it's a Denny Improved Ericsson Stirling engine. I know this one is sold as a R02 Rider Ericsson, but it's actually the Denny Improved Ericsson Stirling engine. But I've done some modifications to this one. I've put it on a wooden plinth. I've changed the, rebent the copper piping for the water, and I've made a larger water reservoir, which keeps the water a lot cooler for a lot longer and gives extended run times. So we'll put some water in. These are fun engines. If you haven't got time sometimes to steam up a steam engine, you've got a busy day but you just want to run an engine, one of these Stirling engines is just fun. So you open up this door. Now with this gas valve, I've got the R02 and the R01, and I find both gas valves are very, very finicky. So what I like to do is keep the gas on there like that, just keep hitting the until I can hear it light, and then I'll back off the gas valve. So that's a little bit hard to light then. Definitely I find it finicky, that little gas valve. Nearly got it. Okay, I'll start again. There we go. See, that time it went straight away. Sometimes it'll light straight away. Sometimes it is very finicky to get started. So the next finicky thing is, you can hear how loud that is, and now I want to turn it down. To about there, and we'll see if that, there we go. Now that's hot, that should start to slow down, and we'll have a good run. Water's pumping. Turn that gas down a little bit more. There we go. Now, as it's a Stirling engine, the heat exchange is still hot from the initial flame, and that will take a little while to start to slow down. And I'll give you some close-ups. As always, thanks for watching. Bye now.